Chapter 2. In today's class we will learn how to overwriting and editing cell, how to formula, how to use undo redo, how to use find, replace, and go to. I have on my Excel sheet like January to July. First I will go to find, shortcut equals ctrl+F. Once I ctrl+F, this dialog box will appear. If I press so it will show it in the entire sheet and show all in the sheet. Replace, shortcut equals ctrl+H. We use this shortcut for replace. If I want to replace A with word Z, then all the A will be replaced according to the command. To edit a cell, simply double-click on the cell and you can easily edit and overwrite on it. At formula, it is very easy and we do it very quickly. Select all the desired number which you want to sum up, or apply formula on it and click here. Done. Undo/redo, if you want to go back and remove some error, click on undo, or for shortcut, ctrl+Z. And to go back forward, this is called redo shortcut, for it is ctrl+Y. Goto is very important function, and mostly we use it. For example, if you want to jump a cell number D5, simply press ctrl+G and enter there D5, and you will jump to that cell. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next quick series video.